Hey there, this is Alex over at Duralabel, and in this video, we're going to show you how to connect your cloud services with LabelForge Pro on the PC. One thing to make note of when connecting to cloud services, this is a feature that's only going to be applicable to the PC desktop application and not the actual standalone devices. The first thing that we're going to want to do is actually go into the cloud option along the left-hand side. Once we're there, we can click on OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, depending on which service we want to log into. Whether you're working collaboratively as a team or you intend to use LabelForge Pro on a couple different PCs, using cloud services can be a great way to speed up time when it comes to sharing files. With that said, in this video, we're going to be showing how to log in with OneDrive specifically. If you are wanting to know how to log in with the other services, go ahead and check the links below where we'll have those options available as well. The first thing that we're going to want to do is make sure that OneDrive is the selected option from the tabs up above. OneDrive should be the default option, but if you do need to change that, feel free to click on the appropriate one and make that selection. Once you have that selected, you'll want to click on Login with OneDrive. This is going to then open up a new browser window, prompting you with a sign-in. I'll quickly get signed in and show you what it looks like once you're logged in. Once you finish logging in through your browser, you'll be able to go back into LabelForge Pro, where you should see a screen that'll look kind of similar to this. Of course, your OneDrive might be set up a little differently, so you may see more folders or less, depending on what you have. For my purposes, I've went ahead and created a templates folder in my OneDrive. That way I can store any that I need to use in a few different areas. I'll go ahead and click on that to open it. From here, we'll still get our previews of the actual templates that we have available. I'll go ahead and click on this one that I'm currently needing to print out, and this will open up in our Label Designer module. But now open, we can print it as needed, or if I do see anything that I want to change, I can always make those changes and save it back to OneDrive specifically. If you did make any changes to the label and you're ready to save it back to OneDrive, in order to do that, click on the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner, and then select the Save to Cloud option. Then you'll want to make sure to select OneDrive. From here, you'll want to either enter a new file name if needed, or you can always copy the original file name and resave over that. Click Save, and it'll save back into your OneDrive. Hopefully this video was able to help you learn a little bit more about connecting LabelForge Pro to the cloud services, as well as saving labels to them if needed. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.